What's poppin', Johnson fam? We doing something a little different for y'all today. Husbae is going to cook some oxtails for you guys, and y'all know my bae is a chef, so in real life. But anyway, y'all, he makes the best oxtails ever. So this is Husbae's first time actually cooking in the slow cooker, but we already knew that his oxtails was gonna be fire. But anyways, y'all, so it's time for him to go ahead and season his meat. Now, this is Husbae's first ever video like this, which and we want to do more. I want to know, do y'all prefer him to actually talk and show you guys everything in the original video, or do y'all like voiceovers? Just let me know down in the comments. So Husbae is now going to turn the Instapot on saute. So he is now taking the oxtails and tossing them over and making sure they are thoroughly seasoned. I do not know why he is so rough with the oxtails, but maybe that's the thing that he do that make them good, because I don't know why. So next you want to take a little bit of oil and cover the bottom of your pan so that you can braise your oxtails on both sides. So if it is easier for you, you can actually do this portion on the stove before putting it into the Instapot. But if you're going to do it in your Instapot, it will take about 5 minutes for it to heat. So once your oil is hot, you can go ahead and place your oxtails in one at a time. You do want to make sure they're flat on the surface because you're trying to braise each side. You do not want to stack them at this point. So once you braise one side and it's the perfect brown for you, you can go ahead and flip them over and braise the other side. So now Husbae is seasoning his water to make a beef broth. to put on top of his oxtails so that he can pressure cook them. So now Husbae is pouring the beef broth that you just seen him make on top of his oxtails and stirring them up. So you want to pressure cook your oxtails for about 45 minutes. So you just hit the pressure cook button, and mine is set at 30 minutes. You just hit, of course, the up button to 45 minutes. I have mine on high pressure and let it cook.
We're gonna check on when we come back.
So after 45 minutes, we check the oxtails, stir them around, and they can go for a little bit longer. But at this point, after the 45-minute mark, we added our frozen peppers. Now, we don't usually use frozen peppers, but we had them, so it was something quick to do. You can cut up your own peppers, or you can use the frozen peppers. But we use the pepper and onion blend we put inside the pot. And we stirred it up and put it back on for another 30 minutes. So y'all, Husbae unfortunately did not get a video of a plate or anything with his oxtails. But after the 30 minutes, they were done, and I can tell you for myself, they were very good. And they're very quick and easy, so they don't take long. Like, who know how to cook oxtails in an hour and a half? Like, hour 15 minutes. So y'all get y'all the Instapot and do this recipe, because you can have you a quick Sunday meal, like, for real. But anyway, y'all, thank you guys for tuning in to our video. And thumbs us up for Husbae so he can do some more, y'all. I'll be trying to get him to cook for y'all because he a chef for real. But anyway, y'all, thank you guys for tuning in. Go ahead and subscribe to your favorite family. Hit that post notification bell so that you're notified the next time that we post a video. Like this video, share this video, and we are out.